Hi everyone, welcome to the video. This is a demonstration on the StarLine S9. We've installed it here today on this Lexus NX, the 2021 model. And the S9 is an alarm, immobiliser and tracker all integrated into one with a smartphone app, so you can see all the vehicle conditions. The S9 can be customised to meet any needs or requirements you may have. And we've done a bit of customization on this vehicle here today to protect it against the most common forms of theft on Lexus and Toyota cars. So currently the vehicle is disarmed. If we press the lock button on the key, you can hear the single chirp to show that the alarm is now armed. This will only happen if your StarLine security tag is present. If you don't have the StarLine security tag present or someone has cloned your key, whenever you press lock or unlock, this will not control the alarm system and the vehicle will still be armed. So if I press unlock now, you hear a double chirp, which means disarmed. If I press lock, you hear a single chirp, which means armed. Once it's armed, all the external shock sensors are now activated. On Toyota and Lexus vehicles, the front passenger wheel arch and bumper area is always targeted to get access to the headlight plug. Once they get access to the headlight plug, they're able to unlock and start your vehicle. So we've added extra protection here. So on this vehicle, now that it's armed, if we go ahead and just touch the bumper, you can see straight away it sets off a warning. So you can see it's very sensitive. We'll try that again. A light touch and it sets off a warning straight away. So what we're going to do now is give it a larger impact and show you the full alarm. So you can see as soon as someone starts tampering with a front passenger wheel arch, the alarm will go off, the horn will start honking, hazard lights will be flashing, and at this moment the vehicle is also immobilized. So if someone was to carry on working on the car and they don't care that the alarm is going off, the vehicle is still immobilized with the StarLine Immobiliser. So let's get into the vehicle now and show you how it works inside. As well as the StarLine S9, we've also installed a dash cam on this vehicle. You can see that's the front camera there, and rear camera all hardwired in. So 2K front, 1080p rear, and we've connected this camera to the alarm. So as normal, the dash cam will activate when you turn the ignition on. You can see it activates by itself, but it will also activate when the alarm is activated. So if anyone is tampering with the car and the alarm starts going off, the horn is honking, the hazard lights are flashing, the alarm will turn the dash cam on so that it will be recording everything going on, trying to collect as much evidence as possible. So that's another feature that we've added to the S9 alarm. So we're now inside the car, and as long as we have the StarLine security tag present, again, we're able to drive. So I can just go ahead, put my foot on the brake, press the start button, and you can see straight away you're ready to drive. This is because the customer has chosen to have everything working through the security tag for convenience. This is how they want the vehicle to work and the alarm system to work on this car. Now, if you prefer for the immobiliser to be controlled using your factory button, so you need to enter a secret code to start the engine or hybrid system, we can do that as well. It can be customized to work exactly how you need. But this customer wanted to opt for the security tag to control everything. So as soon as you press unlock on your factory key, the alarm is disarmed and the immobiliser is disarmed, and you can get in and start driving straight away. Very easy to use and very straightforward. As soon as you get out of the car again, and you press the lock button, the whole system is armed, the immobiliser is reactivated, and the alarm again is reactivated. So what we're going to show you now is what will happen if someone was to clone your key. So I'm going to take the security tag off, I'm going to put it inside the Faraday pouch to block the signal, and then I'm going to press the unlock key to show you what will happen. So the car is now currently armed, and we've put our security tags inside this Faraday pouch to block the signal. So I'm going to press the unlock button, and you can see you don't hear the double chirp to show the system is disarmed. So currently the vehicle is armed, and if anyone was to open the door, the alarm will go off. So I'm going to go ahead and open the door. It's going to start a short countdown. Now the alarm's going off. So as you saw, after a very short countdown, the alarm activated and activated the horn as well. You also saw that the system was calling the owner's phone, so you receive a phone call alert to let you know that the alarm is activated. So no matter where you are, you'll receive a phone call from the system so that you know that someone is tampering with your car. And this will happen the same if the alarm is activated from the external shock sensor, if someone is tampering with the wheel arch and bumper area. So that's how the system works. We're now going to go over the functions of the phone app. So we're just going to click on StarLine 2. This is the StarLine app, and from here you can see all the conditions of the vehicle. So you can see the battery voltage, you can see I'm going to move the phone around here. So you can see that the door is currently open, it's currently disarmed. You can see where the vehicle is, and you can also send commands to the alarm system from your phone. So for example, if you can see on the app that the system is disarmed, you can press this lock button and arm your system. So I'll just show you how that works now. I'm going to get out of the car and take the key. Close the door, press lock, and you can see the system is armed and the vehicle is locked, and you can see a bubble around the car there to show you it's protected. So it's a very comprehensive system. Phone call alerts when the alarm goes off. The bumper region is protected with additional shock sensors to make sure no one can cause any damage. So I'll show you that working again. Light tap and straight away sends a warning. If you're interested in getting a StarLine S9 system installed on your vehicle, or you need a bit more information, give us a call on 0330 133 1518.